Imagine building an entire sales funnel, landing page, ad copy, emails, and even a promo video in just minutes, all with a single AI tool. Sounds wild, right? Well, that's exactly what I did with MarketingBlocks AI, and honestly, it's kind of a game changer. If you want to check it out yourself, I've dropped a free trial link down in the description, so you can follow along or dive in after this video. Here's the deal: instead of wrestling with 5 different apps and a bunch of copy-paste headaches, MarketingBlocks brings everything under one roof. I started with a simple prompt, just a few lines about my offer, and boom, the AI spun up a full landing page. We're talking layout, headlines, copy, images, call to action buttons all in one go. No design skills? No problem. There's even a drag and drop editor if I want to tweak anything. Now, let's talk ad copy. MarketingBlocks whipped up multiple options: Facebook, Google, Instagram, tailored and ready to use. So instead of spending hours writing ads, I'm picking the best ones and launching campaigns way faster. Next up, email sequences. With just a click, I've got a fully written email series that's actually tailored to my funnel and my audience. Subject lines, body copy, calls to action, all handled. And you know that explainer video that usually takes forever to script, record, and edit? MarketingBlocks does it for you. I got a polished, AI-voiced video, complete with visuals, ready to add to my page or ads. Even the little things, like logos or custom images. MarketingBlocks has AI tools for those too. I literally generated a brand logo and some eye-catching graphics in seconds. Honestly, tools like MarketingBlocks are saving me hours every week. If you want to test it out, the free trial link is below, and yes, you can try all the features. I know what you're thinking. Is it really that easy? Yup. The AI can generate a full website, or you can pick from over 100 templates and customize anything with their gridless editor. There are over 200 beautiful sections and blocks designed to boost leads and sales. You can even import your old pages and let the AI upgrade them. Oh, and hosting. Pages are hosted for free on secure, fast AWS servers, or you can export and host them yourself. Plus, you get access to the entire suite, more than 20 AI tools, graphics, logos, videos, writers, voices, chatbots, social media automation, and a lot more. So, if you're ready to simplify your entire marketing process, definitely give MarketingBlocks a try. The link's in the description, along with a special discount code if you go through it. Don't waste another hour. Let AI handle the heavy lifting and focus on what really matters: growing your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.